Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the unboxing of your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. Let me at first cut here this tape over here. Without any strengths, because it needs to be perfect. As you can see, here now we have almost done it. It has to be cut here too, and here. One part is opened, and we can see half of our vacuum cleaner. I don't like this knife, it's dull, but we'll get through it somehow. This is the HardReset.Info knife. Okay, now as you can see here we do have our device. Give me a moment, I will just get out of the box. So as you can see here we do have our device. Let me unzoom it delicately, and now let me cut the next tape. Not to not damage, of course, our vacuum cleaner, and so as the box. Here the first part is done. The second is almost done too. I just don't have the place to do so, as I said. Okay, it is here opened. So here, as you can see in the box, we do have as you can see ROBOROCK. As you can see, it is just some plastic with a guide. What should we do? So we should read the instructions first. And here we have the thing that we love the most. Let me get everything from this box out. So these are all the things, almost, of course, without this docking, for our vacuum that I've got from the box. Let's open the first thing. Here, as you can see, we have some tapes instead of just regular glue, which I really like because it's easier to close it after that. Let's do this carefully. And as you can see, here we do have this driveway for our vacuum. Let me take this here for now, so that won't be a part of our unboxing. And here, as I can see, they have safety guidelines and certification, which I think we can place it over here. Now, as I can see, we do have here our cleaners, which I think really like the most, and we can mount them in our vacuum cleaner. Let's go to the key of this program, which is the vacuum cleaner itself. As I can see, it's packed in the same foil that was the driveway for our okay, here as you can see we do have some damage, but let's not focus on that. I hope that everything is nice and clear over here. Let me open it straight from here. Being careful, not damage the foils and the tapes. And here, as I said, we do have our vacuum itself, which we want to unbox, of course, itself. Let me get this very quickly out of the box, including this thing over here. I have no idea why is it out of it, but I think this is a part of it, part of the unboxing. Here is our vacuum cleaner. Let me place it correctly and take this thing off. Here we have our vacuum cleaner, ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. And now let's move even further. Let me just place it over here. And now let's move to the cables. Here, if we open this box, we can see a power cable. And here, let's see what that is. Everything I think is premium packed, so I can't really be negative over here. And here we have just a bag for our vacuum cleaner, which is nice. Now let's move to the docking station. I'm going to do this quickly because my camera is running out of battery, but let's focus here. Here, as I can see, we have a tape, and if we get this thing straight from here, well, of course with caution, we can see our docking station. Let me take this with extreme caution. I don't want to damage that. Here, that's how it looks like. Without this foil, that's how it looks like. With some foils, and we can easily remove all these tapes that are here only for the protective reasons. For example, this one is only here to protect, and this foil over here. Now I can zoom for you. That's how it looks like. And that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.